If you've created a Dropbox app through the API and realize that the access token given to you keeps expiring, I'll be making a quick tutorial to show how to go behind that. So you go to dropbox.com/developer/apps and click on create app. The settings might differ depending on the app you're creating, but since it's just a sample app, I'll just quickly just select scoped app, maybe full Dropbox, and YouTube video tests. Let's do that. So we have the app created here. It's in development mode. Depending on if you want to do something specific, you can go in here and choose the permissions you want. But for now, I won't be doing anything there. So we just come in here. You don't need to apply for production. First thing you do is click on this enable additional users. Click on that. Your app can now be linked to. This is important because if you don't do that, it won't work. So what we are trying to do, you have the app key and you have the app secrets. I'll be deleting the app, so I'll leave this. So what you do is, first of all, you save your app key and your app secrets. Then also add a redirect URL. So you can use http://localhost. What else? You don't need to generate an access token. Normally you generate an access token, but since what we want to do is to get a refresh token, which we can always use to generate access tokens, because the access tokens Dropbox has been generating since 2021 expire after 4 hours. So we would use a refresh token instead. So if all this is okay, so you just add the redirect URL. Then you make sure you've saved your app key and the app secrets. Then you go into the CMD if you're using Windows. So just these command prompts, whatever you're using, you can use any CLI, but since I'm using Windows, I use this. And I open it up. The next thing you do is, once you're in the CMD, you get this code. It's from the blog post that's linked below, or it should be down there too. So you just put in this code, replace the app key with your app key, the redirect URL with your redirect URL, and then put it in your Windows command line. So it's generated this code. Save this code down here. So you can see this code has a client ID right here. So the next thing you do is take this link that was generated, put it in you can see API request authorization at the top. So it tells you allow, click on continue. Then view basic, so allow. It's normal to get this, but what is important, look in your browser, you have this now, localhost code equals to, so just copy this code quickly and save in your wherever you save things. This code is called your authorization code, so this you would use now for the next step. So the next step would be generating an access token and a refresh token using this authorization code and your app secret. So you just take this authorization code here, right here. You get this code from my blog post too. So replace the authorization code with this, then put in your app secret. I copied it down here, and put in your app secret here. And then you have, so you just take this code and put it in your Windows command and enter. Yeah, so that's it. So you can see this code here. Access token is this long one. And let me just copy it into Notepad so it's clearer. So you have it here. Access token is everything here. The refresh token is this. So you save this refresh token. You don't really need the access token because it's going to expire anyway. So you save this refresh token and use it in your code. So this last video, I'll show how to get new access tokens anytime you want using your refresh token. So we have your refresh token saved here. Just take this out. You get this code from my Dropbox too. So just replace your refresh token here, and you can use this in your app. So if you can set your app to either generate a new access token whenever the app is launched if it's not used that often, or if it's used regularly, you can set the app to detect if the previous access token has expired, then use this refresh token to generate a new access token. So that's this, and yeah, access token. So we have a new access token, expires in 14,400 seconds. That's 4 hours. So that's it. Hope it helps you.